Join me on a 7.7 kilometer long hike through El Caminito del Rey, the King's Little Pathway, through 2 gorges and through stunning landscapes. The paths are built in on the cliffside, and you walk over 100 meters above. It's breathtaking and sometimes a bit scary. Up north from Málaga, you find Caminito del Rey, also close to some of the Costa del Sol tourist towns. Near the north entrance, there is a tunnel you go through. When you have gone through the tunnel, you walk about 1.5 kilometers. There you find the entrance where you can buy tickets, and now the hike starts. Some walk alone and some in groups with a guide. The walkway was built in the beginning of the 20th century. The walkway was built to provide workers at the hydroelectric power plants. They built 2 dams here to provide electricity for Málaga. Early in the 2000s, the walkway was in a very bad condition and was partially closed. Some daredevils tried anyway, and several people died. In June 2011, the government of Andalucía and the local government of Málaga agreed to share cost of restoration. The walkway reopened in 2015 and is now a big tourist attraction. And here we are walking through the first gorge. We were walking in a group, and here is our splendid guide explaining something. Here we reach the end of the first gorge and are walking towards a more open landscape. In front of us, you now can see the railway. It is passing through the gorge too. We didn't see any train though. After passing through the first narrow gorge, we came into this stunning and beautiful valley. Our guide is here telling us about the big, huge vultures that were circling up above. Down in the valley, we took a break and had something to drink. We had also company. There were some mountain goats here. On the hike, we saw several times some mountain goats. The next gorge is up ahead. This is the start of the next gorge, even more stunning than the first one. Underneath here, you can see some of the old walkway. At a place, you can have your picture taken. At this time, the wind was blowing very fast. You really had to hold on to your helmet and your phone and camera, because soon you had to pass the suspension bridge. And then it was my turn. Uh-oh. I have to look down. A bit scary, but so beautiful. And here we are at the end of the walkway. It was a wonderful experience. I would love to do it again someday. Is it dangerous? No. I felt very safe here. After the end of the walkway, you can walk about 1.5 kilometers, and there are shuttle buses that can take you back from where you started. There are also some restaurants, snack bars and souvenir shops. If you liked this video, you could subscribe to my channel and also give me a like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.